Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures. So I want to talk to you guys today about oil changes and frequency of oil changes. A lot of people say, how often should I change my oil? And they look at their owner's manual and it says, 8,000, 10,000, 15,000 K on an oil change. Well, that might make you through warranty, but it's not going to help your engine. Today's engines, they're smaller, they work harder. A lot of them are turbocharged. There's a lot of heat going on, a lot of moving parts. And I have seen engines that followed recommended oil changes from the manufacturer. You take them apart, you're looking, you're going, holy mackerel, there's a lot of garbage left in this. And especially direct injection engines and that. Turbo engines eat the turbos, eat the seals out of the turbos. I recommend 5,000 K on an oil change. And I have raced cars. I've put thousands upon thousands upon thousands of miles on vehicles, and I let vehicles idle. I abuse vehicles racing. I abuse a lot of my vehicles, and I have had really good success, and so have other people that have done 5,000 K oil changes. I can pull apart my engine and they're really clean even after hundreds of thousands of miles on these engines. They're really clean because I change my oil. That's it. You do your tune-ups, you change your oil, but frequency of oil changes make a difference. They really do. And I fully endorse 5,000 K oil changes. Now, people are going to say, well, you can run them longer. Yes, you can. You can, but you lose additives. One additive may be at its life's end. Now, you can check, you can do oil analysis and all that sort of stuff, and oil analysis has its place when you're wanting to find out the condition of your engine. I get that. But for the cost of a few extra oil changes a year, it's worth the money if you're going to keep the car. You want to keep your car for a long time? Change your oil frequently, every 5,000 K, and your engine will thank you for it. Let me know what you think, guys, and if you change your oil like that, let me know. Also, if you don't, let me know too. Love to hear it. If you've had any problems especially. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.